Why does an aircraft carrier kitchen never shut down? Most people think aircraft carriers work like normal places, meals at set times, then everything closes down. But that's not how it works on an aircraft carrier. At midnight, when most of the world is asleep, a small crew deep inside the ship is just starting their shift. Sailors call it midrats, midnight meals, because the carrier holds thousands of people who don't live on a normal schedule. Pilots, crew, engineers, their work doesn't stop at night. So when the ship keeps moving, the kitchen keeps running. So the night crew starts preparing hours earlier for one simple reason. So when a pilot lands late at night, a fresh, hot meal is ready.